everyone. Welcome back on your YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College first year. In your previous lecture, you have learned about the morphology of flowering plants, in which you have read about the structure of flower and the root structure. Today we will learn about the structure of a stem and leaf.
So, what are the main features that distinguish a stem from a root? A stem is an ascending part of the axis bearing branches, leaves, flowers, and the bud. And this stem arises or develops from the plumule of the embryo of germinating seed. If we see the germinating seed, so if seed germinates, after germination of the seed, two structures are coming out. These two structures are called plumule and the radicle. From the radicle part, root arises, root develops, and the plumule part, stem develops. So if we ask the question, stem develops from which part of the germinating seed, we will say that the plumule is the part from which stem develops. Basically, the stem bears nodes and internode. Node is the region from where leaf arises, and internode is the region between two leaf arising node structures. So this is your internode and this is your node. Come to its main functions of a stem. The main function of a stem is water conduction, mineral conduction, and photosynthetates to the other part of the leaf structures. Some stems perform the function of storage of food, support, protection, and of vegetative propagation. So we will see these type of structures and the modification of stem. These are some examples of modification of stems. First is the underground stem of potato, ginger, turmeric, and some other structures perform the storage food in a stem. So stem modification we can see in this ginger, potato, and turmeric. And the next we are seeing this structure, tendril like structure, stem modification into tendril. You have seen this rounded or spring like structure in many creeping plants. Say for example your cucumber, pumpkin, watermelon, and etc. And in some plants there are spine-like structures are also found. These spine-like structures also protect them from desiccation also. This spine-like structure or thorn-like structure you have seen in bougainvillea also. And in some stem become flattened, and these structures you can see in euphorbia, and they contain chlorophyll and other photosynthetic materials, so they can perform the function of photosynthesis. So basically stem at the starting or young age, in the young age the stem is green in color, but after its age it become woody and dark brown in color. Now we will move with the next structure, leaf. Leaf is generally flattened structure borne on the stem. It develops at the node and bears bud and its axil. So you have seen in this previous that the leaf arises from the nodal region. So we are saying that leaf arises from the nodes. The axillary bud later develops into a branch. The axillary bud later, these are the axillary buds, and these later on develops into branches. And leaves originate from the shoot apical meristem. Here is the shoot apical meristem, and these shoot apical meristem, from these shoot apical meristem leaf arises and arranged in a different manner, and these manners you will learn in your phyllotaxy, and later on we will discuss about it, but here you will just see the structure. Now we will see the basic structure of or basic part of a leaf. So here I have cut one leaf. So leaf consists of mainly three parts. Leaf base. Leaf base is the portion from where leaf arises, and the petiole region, and the lamina. This is lamina. So leaf is attached to the stem by the leaf base. So let's see again its various part or structure of a leaf. This is leaf base, this is petiole, lamina, and this is midrib. This midrib is also called rachis. This is lamina. And at the leaf base, here you can see the structure are also present, spine-like structure, but this is not exactly a spine-like, it is soft structure. These are called stipules. In so many leaf or in so many plants, you have seen this type of structure at the base of the leaf. So when you see, you can examine or you can understand that this is stipule. So now we will move with these type of structures of leaf found in monocots and dicots. So we will see the venation also. So these are the veins. You can see the main vein, and these are the lateral veins. From these veins, so many veinlets arises. So these type of venation or venation is called reticulate venation. When veins give so many veinlets, then this type of venation is called reticulate type of venation, and this type of venation is found in dicotyledonous type of plants, and when pallar venation you will see in monocotyledonous plant where veins are not into veinlets. I'll show you the leaf structure in monocot. So here I have a plant of monocotyledonous plant. So in this you can see the leaf has a main mid vein, and from this mid vein and from rachis no veinlet arises. Veins are arises but no veinlet. Next modification you have not found. So this type of venation is called pallar venation. When at the side in the middle of this midrib, veinlets are in a pallar fashion. So this type of venation is called pallar venation, and this is found in monocotyledonous plant. Today we will stop here, and in the next lecture we will learn about inflorescence and the structure of various parts of leaf. Thank you so much.